True range measure market volatility and has recently gained popularity amongst retail traders after understanding the fact that it is very important to know and project how much can a currency pair move for a said day. ATR doesn't give you directions, but it tells you a range in which a currency can move. ATR projections are plotted in the beginning of the day, basically just telling you a desired range in which pair will move for the day, typically showing a high and a low ATR zone. ATR levels are actually considered as a potential reversal zones. When price is ranging in the middle of the ATR, it indicates that market in ranging or no real volatility. Some traders also look for breakouts when price is ranging in the middle levels. ATR is generally clubbed with any other trading system just to add more solidarity to the system. I am not saying this is a holy grail or anything as such, but when used in a particular way can give you more logical setups. Basically, ATR projections plot the high and low levels on the charts, which are a desired high and low for that day, and more importantly it gives an ATR percentage. Now here is the way I use ATR for intraday setups. Rules. 1. Price should be in the top or low range of the ATR zone. By zone I mean high zone indicates high 1, high 2, and high 3, and low zone indicates low 1, low 2, low 3. High 1 is the projected ATR high for the day, and low 1 is the projected ATR low for the day. The closer the price is to the HIGH1, the higher the chances of a reversal. The closer the price is to the low 1, the higher the chances of a reversal. 2. ATR percentage plays a major role in determining how much has your desired currency pair moved for that day. Ideally, conservative traders will not look for setups if their desired currency has already moved 50-55% for that day. 3. So what is the setup we should be looking for to create higher probability setups? First, the price should be the lower zone and within the ideal ATR percentage range, basically within the 50-55%. In this case we will look for long positions on this currency pair. Second, the price should be the higher ATR zone and within the ideal ATR percentage range, basically within 50-55%. In this case we will look for short positions. Note, 50-55% is just a conservative number. You can use your own instincts to take higher risk positions, however anything above 65-70% is not recommended. 4. The higher the price touching the high 1 or high 2, higher the chances that price will reverse from those levels, provided it's within the ideal ATR percent range. The lower the price touching the low 1 or low 2, higher the chances that price will reverse and start inching up again, provided it's within the ideal ATR percent range. 5. Now this is a setup that we are looking for. Please note, from this point it's up to your trading system to detect the signal, momentum, etc. in the trade. Price projection is only giving heads up on tops and bottoms so that you focus on those pairs for entries. 6. One way of focusing on entry is by using RSI directions, currency strength, etc. 7. Use ATR projections on individual indexes to figure out which currency is overall on a higher high or lower low. Then use any currency strength indicator to determine how much strength the currency has to move in the desired directions from the ATR highs and lows. Using ATR for stop losses. The ATR projection gives you ATR reading, basically a number which tells you how much the pair will move in terms of pips. Next to that you have today, which is again a number which tells you how many pips it has moved for the day. A common way to set stop is by multiplying the number of ATR projected pips by 2 from the point of your entry. Second way is to keep the ATR pips as your stop. However, it's recommended that you use other technicalities like support and resistant pivots along with ATR to set stops. Take profit levels. When you go long from the lower ATR zone, use high 3 or high 2 as your first take profit level for conservative exits. When you sell from the higher ATR zone, use low 3 or low 2 as your first take profit level.